Good morning, YouTube land. So this is Dan. I want to show you guys something, some hidden calories that you might not know about in your quest to lose weight. So how many of you guys like to use like Coffee Mate or International Delights, like French vanilla and all that, you know, full fat, full sugar? Because look, if you're putting this in your coffee, it's because you're looking for a particular flavor. Going sugar-free or fat-free doesn't cut it, and you know it doesn't cut it. So let's just be real, and let's talk about the real Coffee Mate or International Delight. Today I have Coffee Mate in the fridge, and I want to show you guys these hidden calories, right? So this is a cup of coffee that I just brewed. Okay, this is down to 3/4 of a cup of the Coffee Mate French vanilla. So we're going to put this in till we get to the color we kind of like. Yeah, right about there. Maybe a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's about right. That looks about right. Sip it. Not bad. Could actually use even a little bit more, but maybe a spoon would help mix it around. But we went from 3/4 of a cup down to 2/3 of a cup. Now, how many cups do you have in a day? If you're doing about 5 or 6 coffee cups a day, and I'm talking all day. Now, you might have a 20-ounce mug you bring with you, right? Or maybe even something bigger. And so now you're really putting a lot in at one shot. Maybe you have 2 of those a day, or maybe you have a cup of coffee in the morning and then you make a travel mug, or you hit a convenience store. The point is, you need to know that just one cup of this a day is over 500 calories. That's right. It's like 90 carbs or something like that, and over 500 calories. It is a lot. It is a meal. So while you are trying to watch your calories, or you might be eating a salad at lunch, or you know, you're going through these different steps, you're walking, you're jogging, you're doing things to burn calories, you have to make sure that you account for your indulgences, such as delicious Coffee Mate. Maybe you use oat milk, maybe you use something else, almond milk, maybe you use something else. Everything has calories and sugar and fat. So pay attention to that and make sure that you're accounting for it. That doesn't mean you can't eat this or drink this. It just means that if you know that you're not supposed to consume more than, say, 2,100 calories a day because you burn about 2,400 or 2,500 a day with resting and active, that's fine. Just account for it in your day. So that means less of something else. All right? If you can bring this to black coffee or green tea or black tea and not have stuff like this, or if you can substitute for sugar-free or fat-free and reduce the calories, then that gives you more room later on in the day. That's why a lot of people will wake up and they teach themselves to drink black coffee, and after a couple of weeks, you thoroughly enjoy it, to be honest. That will make room for more indulgences, such as treats. I don't know if it shows, but little donuts, you know, little things maybe later on, or more carbohydrates with your breakfast, or more carbohydrates with your lunch or dinner. Account for these calories and you won't get derailed. But if you don't, and you can't figure out why you're not losing weight, these drinks and stuff like this can be the culprit. So just trying to help you guys out, all right? Account for everything that you do. Do it for a good 2-3 weeks, and eventually you won't have to account for it anymore. You'll just know, and you'll see that weight coming off. All right, guys. I hope I helped.